Welcome back. Since I saw you last, I've been doing a bit of playing and I've added some more colour. I've actually also taken some colour felt tips. These are a range I have. They're water based ones, so they will run in the water. But I just started making little designs there, little flowers. I also went back to these, do you remember these fingerprint marks? I went back to those and outlined them, and I've also since started with colour putting more of the little dots in. This area here I just wet and started to drop some different colours in just to see how the paints play together. So gradually I'm starting to add more colour to the areas. This lovely bright green, I've continued the tail of our little dragon off beyond that frame piece there and put some yellow on him and added more red into the flames nearer to his nostrils where they would be coming out. So gradually just starting to play with it a little bit more. It's just something that's very soothing and calming to help you just sort of still your monkey mind that's usually telling you what you should be doing all the time. Just play with your colours and see what happens. If you are going to be going on and doing more painting, then this is a great way to see how your colours work separately or together, with more water, with less water, and adding little things if you want to with a finer felt tip. I do have a finer black felt tip somewhere which I'd like to use as well, but here you can see, although this is a permanent marker, some of the ink from the dots has actually bled into the water, but I think that's rather nice, and if I wanted to I could probably go back with a fine point and make shapes round those little smudgy marks as well, and also maybe I'll do a bit of detail around those colours. So it really is just a work in progress, and it's very much just the doing, as I say, just enjoying the doing. So I'm going to continue with this, and then I'll come back to you again at a later stage looking at a little bit more detail, but I hope it's going well for you.